Hello. Oil prices slipped today following the release of weak Chinese trade figures ahead of fresh U.S. economic data. In particular, oil imports in July to China, the top crude importer, were down 18.8% on a monthly basis. Total imports also dropped 12.4% year-on-year, a more severe drop than the 5% forecast, while exports contracted 14.5%, steeper than an expected 12.5% decline. Meanwhile, the American Petroleum Institute is scheduled to release its estimate of U.S. crude inventories later in the session and is projected to show another drawdown after last week's hefty fall. Shares in Tesla are slipping after the car maker announced that the chief financial officer would be departing. According to a regulatory filing, the 13-year veteran of Tesla and a regular fixture on the company's earnings call officially stepped down on Friday. However, he will stay with the business until the end of the year to aid in the transition. The dip in Tesla shares came as part of a broader electric vehicle sector sell-off, with Rivian Automotive and Lucid Group both declining by more than 3%. UPS today announced second quarter revenue of $22.1 billion, a 10.9% decrease from the same quarter of 2022. Operating profit came in at $2.8 billion, down 21.4% compared to a year earlier. Adjusted earnings per share was reported as $2.54, 22.8% below the same period in 2022. The Postal Company revised its full-year 2023 revenue guidance to $93 billion versus the analyst estimate of $96.77 billion amid weaker U.S. packaging demand. Eli Lilly today reported second quarter financials with EPS of $2.11 on revenue of $8.31 billion, smashing estimates of $1.98 EPS and $7.58 billion revenue. Mounjaro, the company's medication targeting type 2 diabetes, generated $979.7 million in second quarter sales, easily exceeding the expectation of $740.8 million. Furthermore, the company raised its full-year guidance to $9.8 EPS and $33.65 billion revenue. As PhillipCapital team, we wish you happy and healthy days.